Essential skills, talents, and abilities for mid-level electrical crew supervisors encompass several key areas. Firstly, technical proficiency is paramount. This includes expert knowledge of electrical theory, codes, and standards. Strong troubleshooting and problem-solving abilities are crucial. Proficiency in wiring, conduit bending, and electrical equipment installation is expected. Furthermore, the ability to interpret electrical drawings and blueprints is essential. Secondly, project management skills are vital. This involves the ability to plan, organize, and manage electrical projects effectively. Excellent communication and coordination skills with team members, clients, and stakeholders are necessary. Proficiency in project scheduling, budgeting, and resource allocation is also required. Experience in managing multiple projects concurrently is highly beneficial. Thirdly, leadership and management skills are indispensable. This includes strong leadership and motivational skills. The ability to effectively delegate tasks, provide feedback, and evaluate performance is essential. Excellent interpersonal and conflict resolution skills are necessary. Furthermore, the ability to mentor and develop junior team members is highly valued. Fourthly, business acumen is important. This involves an understanding of business principles, budgeting, and cost control. The ability to analyze financial data and make informed decisions is necessary. Experience in customer relations and sales is also beneficial. Fifthly, safety and compliance are critical. This includes in-depth knowledge of electrical safety regulations and standards. The ability to enforce safety protocols and ensure compliance is essential. A proactive approach to identifying and mitigating risks is also crucial. Other desirable attributes include excellent organizational and time management skills. Strong problem-solving and decision-making abilities are beneficial. Physical stamina and the ability to work in various conditions are often required. The ability to work independently and as part of a team is essential. A strong work ethic and commitment to excellence are highly valued. The responsibilities of an electrical crew supervisor are multifaceted. These include supervising and managing a team of electrical workers. Planning and scheduling electrical projects is a key responsibility. Ensuring compliance with electrical codes and standards is essential. Troubleshooting and resolving electrical issues is a frequent task. Providing technical guidance and support to team members is important. Coordinating with project managers, clients, and other stakeholders is necessary. Monitoring project progress, managing budgets, and allocating resources are critical. Managing safety and enforcing safety protocols are paramount. Mentoring and developing junior team members is a valuable contribution. Representing the company in a professional manner is also expected. To elaborate on technical proficiency, a deep understanding of electrical theory is the foundation. This includes knowledge of voltage, current, resistance, and power, as well as series and parallel circuits, and alternating current versus direct current principles. Familiarity with national and local electrical codes, such as the National Electrical Code, is absolutely essential for ensuring safe and compliant installations. Staying updated on the latest code revisions and interpretations is also critical. Strong troubleshooting skills involve the ability to diagnose and repair electrical problems efficiently and effectively. This requires a systematic approach to problem solving, using tools such as multimeters, clamp meters, and circuit tracers. Proficiency in wiring techniques includes proper wire sizing, termination methods, and cable management. Competence in conduit bending is essential for creating neat and professional installations. The ability to work with various types of electrical equipment, such as transformers, switchgear, and control panels, is also necessary. Interpreting electrical drawings and blueprints requires the ability to understand symbols, diagrams, and schematics, and to translate them into real-world installations. Project management skills are crucial for ensuring that electrical projects are completed on time, within budget, and to the required standards. Planning involves defining the scope of the project, identifying the tasks that need to be completed, and developing a schedule for completing those tasks. Organizing involves assigning resources to the project, setting up communication channels, and establishing procedures for managing changes and risks. Managing the project involves tracking progress, resolving issues, and ensuring that the project stays on schedule and within budget. Effective communication is essential for coordinating with team members, clients, and other stakeholders. This includes the ability to clearly communicate instructions, provide feedback, and resolve conflicts. Proficiency in project scheduling software, such as Microsoft Project or Primavera 6, is highly beneficial. Experience in managing multiple projects concurrently requires the ability to prioritize tasks, delegate responsibilities, and manage time effectively. Leadership and management skills are essential for motivating and directing a team of electrical workers. Strong leadership involves the ability to inspire and motivate team members to achieve their goals. Effective delegation involves assigning tasks to team members based on their skills and abilities. Providing feedback involves giving constructive criticism and praise to team members to help them improve their performance. Evaluating performance involves assessing team members' contributions to the project and identifying areas for improvement. Interpersonal skills are essential for building positive relationships with team members and resolving conflicts. Mentoring junior team members involves providing guidance and support to help them develop their skills and advance their careers. Business acumen is important for understanding the financial aspects of electrical contracting. This includes knowledge of budgeting, cost control, and financial analysis. The ability to analyze financial data and make informed decisions is essential for ensuring the profitability of projects. Experience in customer relations and sales is beneficial for winning new business and maintaining existing client relationships. Safety and compliance are paramount in the electrical industry. This includes in-depth knowledge of electrical safety regulations and standards, such as those established by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) and the National Fire Protection Association (NFPA). The ability to enforce safety protocols and ensure compliance is essential for preventing accidents and injuries. A proactive approach to identifying and mitigating risks involves conducting hazard assessments, implementing safety procedures, and providing training to team members. Other desirable attributes include excellent organizational skills, which are essential for managing paperwork, tracking inventory, and maintaining records. Strong problem-solving skills are necessary for resolving unexpected issues that arise during projects. Physical stamina is required for working long hours in physically demanding conditions. The ability to work independently and as part of a team is essential for success in the electrical industry. A strong work ethic and commitment to excellence are highly valued by employers. Expanding on specific responsibilities, supervising and managing a team of electrical workers involves providing direction, assigning tasks, and monitoring performance. Planning and scheduling electrical projects requires careful consideration of deadlines, resources, and potential challenges. Ensuring compliance with electrical codes and standards is crucial for avoiding fines and ensuring the safety of installations. Troubleshooting and resolving electrical issues requires a systematic approach and a thorough understanding of electrical principles. Providing technical guidance and support to team members involves sharing knowledge, answering questions, and offering assistance when needed. Coordinating with project managers, clients, and other stakeholders requires effective communication and collaboration. Monitoring project progress, managing budgets, and allocating resources ensures that projects are completed on time, within budget, and to the required standards. Managing safety and enforcing safety protocols is essential for preventing accidents and injuries. Mentoring and developing junior team members involves providing guidance, support, and training to help them advance their careers. Representing the company in a professional manner requires maintaining a positive attitude, communicating effectively, and adhering to ethical standards. Furthermore, consider the importance of continuous learning in this field. Electrical technology is constantly evolving, so it is essential to stay updated on the latest advancements and best practices. This can be achieved through attending industry conferences, reading trade publications, and participating in online training courses. In addition to technical skills, soft skills are also crucial for success as an electrical crew supervisor. These include communication, teamwork, problem solving, and leadership. Effective communication is essential for interacting with team members, clients, and other stakeholders. Teamwork involves collaborating with others to achieve common goals. Problem-solving skills are necessary for resolving unexpected issues that arise during projects. Leadership skills are essential for motivating and directing a team of electrical workers. Consider the ethical responsibilities of an electrical crew supervisor. This includes ensuring that all work is performed in accordance with ethical standards and that all employees are treated fairly and with respect. It also involves protecting the environment and minimizing the impact of electrical work on the surrounding community. Finally, remember that being an electrical crew supervisor is a challenging but rewarding career. It requires a combination of technical skills, leadership abilities, and business acumen. By developing these skills and staying committed to safety and excellence, you can achieve success in this field. Let's dive deeper into the technical aspects. Consider grounding and bonding, which are crucial for electrical safety. Grounding provides a path for fault current to return to the source, tripping a circuit breaker or fuse and preventing electrical shock. Bonding connects all metal parts of an electrical system to create a low impedance path for fault current. Understanding the differences between grounding and bonding and how to properly implement them is essential for ensuring the safety of electrical installations. Another important technical area is overcurrent protection. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are designed to protect electrical circuits from damage caused by excessive current. Selecting the correct size and type of overcurrent protection device is critical for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. The National Electrical Code provides detailed guidance on overcurrent protection requirements. Understanding motor control is also important, especially in industrial settings. Motor control circuits are used to start, stop, and control the speed and direction of electric motors. These circuits can range from simple manual starters to complex automated control systems. Understanding the principles of motor control and how to troubleshoot motor control circuits is a valuable skill for electrical crew supervisors. Power distribution systems are the backbone of any electrical installation. Understanding how power is distributed from the utility service to the various loads within a building is essential for designing and maintaining safe and reliable electrical systems. This includes knowledge of transformers, switchgear, panel boards, and branch circuits. Familiarity with different types of wiring methods such as conduit, cable tray, and direct burial cable is also important. Understanding lighting systems is essential for designing energy-efficient and aesthetically pleasing lighting installations. This includes knowledge of different types of light sources, such as incandescent, fluorescent, and LED, as well as lighting control systems, such as dimmers and occupancy sensors. The Illuminating Engineering Society (IES) provides standards and guidelines for lighting design. Renewable energy systems, such as solar photovoltaic and wind power, are becoming increasingly common. Understanding the principles of renewable energy and how to integrate renewable energy systems into existing electrical systems is a valuable skill for electrical crew supervisors. This includes knowledge of solar inverters, charge controllers, and battery storage systems. Now let's consider some practical aspects of managing an electrical crew. Effective communication is essential for coordinating tasks, resolving conflicts, and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. This includes both verbal and written communication skills. It's important to be able to clearly explain complex technical concepts in a way that is easy for others to understand. Active listening is also crucial for understanding the needs and concerns of team members. Delegation is a key skill for electrical crew supervisors. It's important to be able to assign tasks to team members based on their skills and abilities, and to provide them with the resources and support they need to succeed. Effective delegation frees up the supervisor to focus on more strategic tasks. Time management is essential for ensuring that projects are completed on time and within budget. This includes prioritizing tasks, setting deadlines, and tracking progress. It's also important to be able to manage interruptions and unexpected events. Conflict resolution is an inevitable part of managing a team. It's important to be able to address conflicts quickly and effectively, and to find solutions that are fair to everyone involved. This requires empathy, patience, and strong communication skills. Safety is always the top priority on any electrical job site. Electrical crew supervisors are responsible for ensuring that all workers are following safety protocols and that the job site is free from hazards. This includes conducting regular safety meetings, providing safety training, and enforcing safety rules. Documentation is an important part of any electrical project. This includes creating and maintaining accurate records of all work performed, materials used, and inspections conducted. Proper documentation is essential for ensuring compliance with codes and standards, and for resolving any disputes that may arise. Finally, it's important to be a positive role model for your team. This means demonstrating a strong work ethic, a commitment to safety, and a willingness to learn and grow. By setting a good example, you can inspire your team to achieve their best. And to further illustrate some points, let's use a few examples. Imagine a scenario where a crew is installing a new electrical service for a commercial building. The supervisor needs to ensure that the service is properly sized to handle the building's load, that the grounding and bonding system is correctly installed, and that all wiring is in compliance with the National Electrical Code. This supervisor also needs to coordinate with the utility company to schedule the service connection. In another scenario, a crew is troubleshooting a power outage in a hospital. This supervisor needs to quickly diagnose the problem, isolate the fault, and restore power to the affected areas. This requires a thorough understanding of electrical systems, strong troubleshooting skills, and the ability to work under pressure. Consider a project involving the installation of a solar photovoltaic system on a residential home. The supervisor needs to ensure that the solar panels are properly mounted, that the inverter is correctly wired, and that the system is interconnected to the utility grid in accordance with all applicable regulations. The supervisor also needs to educate the homeowner about the operation and maintenance of the solar system. Or perhaps a scenario where a crew is upgrading the lighting system in a large office building. The supervisor needs to select energy-efficient lighting fixtures, design a lighting layout that meets the needs of the occupants, and ensure that the new lighting system is properly controlled to minimize energy consumption. Let's focus more on NEC now, the National Electrical Code. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards for electrical installations. It covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. Electrical crew supervisors need to be intimately familiar with the NEC and how it applies to their work. For example, NEC Article 210 covers branch circuits, which are the circuits that supply power to individual outlets and lighting fixtures. The NEC specifies the minimum size of conductors that can be used for branch circuits, as well as the maximum number of outlets that can be connected to a single branch circuit. NEC Article 250 covers grounding and bonding. It specifies the requirements for grounding electrodes, grounding conductors, and bonding jumpers. Proper grounding and bonding are essential for preventing electrical shock and ensuring the safety of electrical systems. NEC Article 310 covers conductors for general wiring. It provides tables that specify the ampacity of different types of conductors based on their size, insulation type, and installation conditions. Electrical crew supervisors need to be able to use these tables to select the correct size of conductors for their installations. NEC Article 430 covers motors and motor circuits. It specifies the requirements for motor overload protection, motor short circuit protection, and motor disconnecting means. Electrical crew supervisors need to be familiar with these requirements to ensure the safe and reliable operation of electric motors. NEC Article 700 covers emergency systems. It specifies the requirements for emergency lighting, emergency power, and other critical systems that are designed to operate during a power outage. Electrical crew supervisors need to be familiar with these requirements to ensure the safety of building occupants during an emergency. Additionally, NEC 110.3 covers examination, identification, installation, and use of equipment. Equipment must be suitable for the intended use, installed and used according to instructions, and properly identified. NEC 110.12 addresses neat and workmanlike manner requirements, emphasizing the importance of professional and aesthetically pleasing installations. NEC 110.14 covers electrical connections, emphasizing the need for proper termination and splicing to ensure reliable and safe connections. It specifies torque requirements for connections and compatible materials. NEC 230 deals with services, including service conductors, service equipment, and overcurrent protection. It outlines the requirements for the service entrance, disconnecting means, and grounding. NEC 300 covers wiring methods, including raceways, cables, and boxes. It specifies the requirements for installing these wiring methods in different environments and applications. NEC 314 covers outlet, device, pull, and junction boxes, conduit bodies, fittings, and handhole enclosures. It specifies the requirements for box fill, support, and protection. NEC 408 addresses switchboards, switchgear, and panel boards. It covers the requirements for installation, overcurrent protection, and working clearances. NEC 517 covers healthcare facilities, outlining additional requirements for electrical systems in hospitals, nursing homes, and other healthcare settings to ensure patient safety. NEC 547 covers agricultural buildings, addressing the unique electrical requirements for environments with dust, corrosive materials, and livestock. NEC 600 covers electric signs and outline lighting, providing specific requirements for installation, wiring, and overcurrent protection. NEC 625 covers electric vehicle charging systems, providing guidelines for safe and compliant installations, including wiring, protection, and equipment. NEC 701 covers legally required standby systems such as emergency lighting and fire pumps, ensuring they have a reliable power source during outages. And to reiterate, constant learning is necessary as changes to the NEC occur every 3 years, so crew supervisors must stay up to date.